All right, when we're talking about slope, we are talking about our rise over our run when we look at a graph. So when I mean rise, I'm saying my rise is how much I move up or how much I move down. Always move up or down first. My run, for what we want to do, we're always just going to go to the right. So when I do my rise and my run, find how much you go up or down, and then how much you go to the right. And we'll write it as a fraction or a whole number. So let's try finding rise and run to find our slope on this graph. So they gave us 2 points. Right here, I've got a point there at 0, -3, and a point there at 2, 1. I always want to start on the left and move towards the right. So just like we read anything else, start on the left, move towards the right. So right here, if I start at this point on the left and I want to get over here, I have to go upwards to get there. Whenever I go up, that's going to be a positive slope. So I'm going to count how much I go up and say, to get even with that, I went up 1, 2, 3, 4. I went up by 4. And then I go over for my run, and I say I went over 1, 2. That means my rise, my up or down, in this case I went up, so it's positive. I went up by 4. My run, which is to the right, was by 2. So when I want to write that as a slope, my slope is just 4 over 2. Can I reduce 4 over 2? Yes, I can take a number out of 4 and out of 2. Both are divisible by 2. So when I rewrite it in the lowest possible terms, 4 divided by 2 gives me a slope of 2. That is my slope. I know that it's positive because it went up from left to right. Let's try it with this one. Here I don't have a positive graph. I've got 2 points right here. We've got a point at -4, 3 and 4, 1. I'm going to start at the point on the left, but to get from the left to the right, when I start at the left, I have to go downwards. When I have to go down, that's a negative slope. So if I'm going down, I'm going to say I went down by 1, 2. I dropped by 2, so I have a rise of -2. That was my drop. And then I need to go over to the right. So going to the right, I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when I went over by 8, moving to the right, that was my run. So when I